थैंक यू नहीं बोलता हाँ बच्चे भावना बोलो
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now it's 9 a.m. and we are boiling the sweet potatoes so that we can eat in the breakfast. Today's breakfast is not good, so we are going to take that sweet potato and eat it with the hot tea. And here's my friend Vishnu. I woke her up because she was sleeping. We already planned yesterday, but she was still sleeping. And I made her come here earlier than me. क्या करें क्या सही खाना है
छिलके अंदर दूध डालते हो
दूध
शक्कर सीरा बनता है इसका बहुत अच्छे से
सिरप
हम सीरा बनाते हैं इसका
Now we're taking this. Oh my god, we're already late.
मैं और ले रहा हूँ shifted here
because you can resist me from afar.
हाँ करो आपका नाम क्या है
Handshake ऐसे 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 होता है ऐसे.
हाँ
Good boy. Love me, Tenzin.
they're taking something I think it's carrot yeah here see tomatoes we're going to what are you going to do with this
We're going to eat this tomato.
only eat raw can you eat raw
No, we'll eat cooking.
this is a free I'm here
Tomatoes.
भावना बोलो हाँ मेरा नाम तुम्हारा नाम क्या छे चलो चलो जाते हैं
खाता है लो नानी सो रहा है
Wait, Anji, see the field so big. Swans.
चलो boy boy
Hi. Goody. Wow, sunflower. Mm.
This is female.
How do you
It's
know?
called silk. Aku tanya di male. This is tassel.
यहाँ से आ सकती है, यहाँ से नहीं आ सकती.
Yes, go.
આપણે જાણે.
ભાવનગર નું ભાવનગર.
હાલો, બગદાડા કોણ છે?
ભાવનગર છે.
હા, ભાવનગર.
भावनगर से आ रहा है भावनगर से हाँ
भावनगर रमी है
हाँ शूटिंग झूला उतर रही है
color shift. One avatar here.
No, because of the blueprint.
My watermelon here. Let me take it out. waiting for one of the hosteler. It's a boy fashion show. We're going together, so he's going to take us in the bike. Will we fit there? Don't you think we are going to fit there? Your condition. Tingting ka siya. Now we are going for the dinner with this fish snow. Shifting cultivation. This is rice.
And this is me,
And your drink.
and I'm cooking really tasty.
Cutting potato. Since this gundruk is dried, we need to soak it in the water for a while.
Well, to explain about this, it's a fermented spinach.
She told me to smell this. I say, wait, boil like that. Why do I smell like it's burnt? मासू के बारे में बोल रहे हैं, ये बहुत मासू मिस कर रहे हैं यहाँ बैठ के। भूटान जाके ये मासू बहुत खाएंगे और मोटी हो जाएंगे। अब तो ये बहुत ही इसका मासू सब निकल गया है, ये तो बहुत
Chili, ice cream chili.
By the way, this is our pantry room. Tuck given to hostelers. We have one fridge, AC, it's not working, CC camera, and fan. I have the holiday, bro.
If it's not dashi, then I don't like to eat because of chili.
Holiday. We're done eating. It's her turn to wash. We wash. Don't wash. We wash. Don't wash. So this is her turn today.
Oh,
And she's lucky. I couldn't eat this. Oh.
I could not eat one.